Hello and welcome to today's video. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to manage payment methods in the Brave browser on mobile. Whether you want to disable autofilling payment info for privacy or simply explore your settings, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open the Brave browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the three-dot menu. Then, from the menu that appears, scroll down and select Settings. After that, scroll through the settings list and tap on Payment Methods. Now, you'll see a toggle labeled Save and Fill Payment Methods. Finally, turn off this option to disable Brave from saving or auto-filling your payment information. That's it. You've successfully adjusted your payment settings in the Brave browser. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. Feel free to leave a comment if you have questions or video suggestions. See you soon!